Okay, we are back to show how to assemble the quick prep mandolin. Am I even saying that right? Mm-hmm. Rapid prep mandolin. Okay.
So first step, you want to make sure that this kickstand is all the way out to where it locks in place, to where if you just push it, then back and forth, it won't move.
Yep.
And then it has suction cups on the bottom so that like it won't slide and stuff. Yes. Should I do it like this way?
Yeah, for now.
So up here.
Oh wait, this part next. So. Or yeah, go ahead.
So up here, there's a little lock and unlock. So when it's locked, you won't be able to like lift it up. So you want to turn it. You want to push, turn, and then you can let go. You know, like that.
Yep, that's what you're gonna.
Start next.
Let's do this part.
So we're gonna turn it around.
So this is the collection bowl, right? And
so there's a little divot right here, and then right here it should line up with that. So it should go in, should fit like that. So just like that.
Just
so
like
it's
that.
A pretty easy fit.
Pretty easy fit. Okay. And what's next? Turn around. Again, we're turning it around. Okay.
And then right here, you can just slide it down, and then you'll see this where the blade is to where you cut.
Careful with that. Okay.
And then goes in this part.
And
you're gonna take this little thing.
So this part should go up here.
And then you wanna. We're gonna just put this down for a second.
You don't have to have it down. Just yeah.
So you want to lift this part up.
Yep.
And then put this part in and let go of it. It will come out, but
it's in there.
Yep. And then you can put food or like little fruits or food in there.
Yeah.
And then when you push down, it slices it up. And then this part, you can
push your food down with it.
Push your food down with it so that you don't use your fingers.
And then this does what?
Slices it. So
slices it.
You can actually see where it comes down.
Choppy, choppy. And then it spits the food out in the back.
And then here.
So if my 12-year-old can do it, I can do it, you can do it. So in the back we have
notches. So this is for thickness, right?
Yeah, well,
what's it for?
How the shape that it's gonna
do the shape. So there's
the different shapes are full slice, thick julienne slices, and thin julienne slices.
So thin is all the way, the middle is just like halfway, and then full is just like at the very beginning. And
then this one is a
thickness.
How thick that you want it. So it can go 1 to 8 millimeters.
You might have to play with it a little bit. So.
Yeah, the instructions say that 8 would give you a perfect fry cut, and a 4 would give you a perfect julienne cut. So we will do a separate video where we actually
use it,
chop some things. But we just assembled it, and it took us 3 minutes. So probably less because we did a lot of talking.
Yeah.
And then again, all of it is dishwasher safe on the top rack. So you take it all apart, you put this down, put it in the top dishwasher, and you're done. Okay. We're going to turn this off, and we're going to do another unboxing. I have another box.
2 more boxes.
I already did 1 box. We have 1 more box. Come back.